Welcome to Ganitika.com, a website for mathematics lovers, learners, and leaders. Here we are going to see product rule and how to apply product rule to find derivatives of functions. Product rule is applied to functions which are in product form. For example, if y of x is a function which is a product of u of x and v of x, then we apply product rule to this. Let's give a small increment delta x to x. Then x becomes x plus delta x. We will find the derivative of y of x using the first principle method. Rewriting this limit in terms of u and v, we get this expression. An increment in x also gives increments in y, u and v. So delta y is an increment in y value, delta u is an increment in u value, and delta v is an increment in v value. This can be used to replace the functions in the above expression like this. We are taking u of x and v of x as uv, and u of x plus delta x, v of x plus delta x as u plus delta u and v plus delta v. And this can be simplified like this. In this expression, you can see that uv can get cancelled, and the remaining expression can be written like this by separating the limits for each term. U and v are independent of delta x, therefore they can be taken out of the limits, and the last term can be separated as two different limits. So these limits give you the derivative of the function with respect to x. Whereas the last limit delta v gives you 0, because as delta x tends to 0, delta u, delta v as well as delta y, all of them tend to 0. Therefore the limit of delta x tending to 0 of delta v should be equal to 0. Substituting all of them in this above expression, we get like this, with the last term as du over dx multiplied by 0 because limit of delta v is 0. Therefore the last term goes off. So we are having the derivative of y as u dv over dx plus v du over dx, which is first function multiplied by the derivative of the second function plus second function multiplied by the derivative of the first function. So if y is a product of two functions u and v, then the derivative would be u v dash plus v u dash, and this is the product rule. Let's apply this rule on some examples. Let's say y equal to x cube multiplied by sin x. So u is x cube and v is sin x. Product rule states the derivative of y is u v dash plus v u dash. Once we have u and v, we have to find u dash and v dash, which are the derivatives of u and v, and just simply substitute them in the formula. Simplifying them, you get x cube cos x plus 3x square sin x as the derivative of x cube sin x. Let's take more examples, and let's remember this as product rule formula. We need to just find out what is u and v and differentiate them so that we can substitute in the formula. Substituting in the formula each of these four functions and simplifying them, we will get this as the derivative of e power x cos x. Another example, y equal to x square root of x plus 1. So x square is u, root of x plus 1 is v. Finding the derivatives of each of them, we get all these four functions. Let's plug these values into the rule. If it is required, we can simplify this further, or we can leave the answer as it is. Thank you for watching. Hope you understood what is product rule and how to apply them to find the derivative of functions which are in product form. Happy learning from Ganitika.com. Bye bye.